Hey, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today's video is just some experimentation with my 360 camera and just seeing what I could do with it around the pool, getting some kind of drone style shots. And one of the reasons for me buying a 360 camera was to get some more kind of cinematic shots without actually needing to fly a drone, because there's all kinds of problems with doing that in public places these days. And I think some of the shots came out pretty well, but as I say, it's experimentation. So mainly bit 360 camera stuff of the guys that I was skating with, and then at the end just some more clips of me skating. Nothing in the way of landmark tricks that I'd learned or anything really to speak of, so just usual kind of session, but yeah, just tag those clips on the end because it was part of the same skate session. So thanks for watching, really appreciate your support, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Take care.